Welcome back to the Business Automation Podcast, Igniting Innovation in 3 minutes. This series is brought to you by 3 Strand Solutions. I'm your host, Greg Dawson. This week, we're focusing on the efficiency revolution, and today's episode is all about automated marketing campaigns. Marketing campaigns are essential for reaching new customers and retaining existing ones. However, running successful marketing campaigns can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Automation tools can help businesses streamline the process, from designing and executing campaigns to analyzing their effectiveness. Automated marketing platforms such as HubSpot, Marketo, and MailChimp offer a range of features that can simplify campaign management. These tools allow businesses to create and schedule email campaigns, social media posts, and other marketing activities in advance. By automating these tasks, businesses can ensure consistent communication with their audience without the need for constant manual effort. One of the primary benefits of automated marketing campaigns is the ability to segment audiences and personalize content. Automation tools can analyze customer data to create targeted segments based on demographics, behavior, and preferences. This segmentation allows businesses to send tailored messages that resonate with each group, increasing engagement and conversion rates. In addition to personalization, automated marketing tools can track the performance of campaigns in real time. Metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates provide valuable insights into what is working and what isn't. This data-driven approach enables businesses to adjust their strategies on the fly, optimizing their campaigns for better results. Another advantage of marketing automation is the ability to nurture leads through automated workflows. For example, when a potential customer downloads a white paper or signs up for a newsletter, the system can automatically send a series of follow-up emails designed to move them through the sales funnel. These workflows can be customized to suit different stages of the buyer's journey, ensuring that prospects receive the right information at the right time. Automated marketing campaigns also save time by integrating with other business tools. For instance, CRM systems can sync with marketing automation platforms to provide a complete view of customer interactions. This integration ensures that sales and marketing teams are aligned, improving collaboration and efficiency. Implementing marketing automation requires a clear strategy and the right tools. It's important to define your goals, understand your audience, and choose a platform that fits your needs. Training your team to use the new tools effectively is also essential for maximizing the benefits of automation. In conclusion, automated marketing campaigns can save time, increase reach, and improve the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. By leveraging automation tools, businesses can create more personalized, data-driven campaigns that drive better results. Thank you for joining us today on the Business Automation Podcast. If you join our newsletter, we'll give you free access to our Simple AI Transformation Method Masterclass. The Masterclass is an almost 3-hour pre-recorded course where participants get crystal clear on exactly how AI can be useful in their roles and will be able to create their own customized AI role plan. If you're interested, please visit start.3strand.ai. Until next time, keep innovating.
In full transparency, AI was used as a tool to generate both the content for this episode and the simulated voice clone of Greg Dawson's voice. Always fact check and seek multiple sources to verify any claims made during this episode or any other.